That we made a request through the Ministry of Sports, through the CS, and that they were able to release her. It has never been done again. We have been told that several times, but we are happy she's here. She's a good inclusion, and we know she'll give us something that we're sure of. We had to try, but we had a lot of faith that it is possible. So we just gave a call up, maybe not on the media, but we sent letters, and we really pushed the CS hard through the FKF leadership, just for him and for the ministry and for the people of Kenya to realize that we really needed her in this match. First of all, we're happy she is here. We called her in our last assignment. She was not able to come because she pulled a thigh injury during the last week of the match before the team reported to the camp. But she really wanted to play for the national team. She wrote a lot of goodwill messages and wished that we could win. I think we won also for her, so that she could make it to this. She's a good inclusion. She scored twice against Botswana when we played in 2018, the under-20. We've been talking to her. I think it's a familiar team because Botswana kept their under-20 team, and we know she can do it again. It's not a pressure starting at home or starting away. We are going to give it our best. It doesn't matter where we play. I can say the girls are optimistic and we are up to it.
Aria